Hello everyone, and welcome to another Android tutorial. So today we will create a splash screen for Android app, and let's get started. First, we will create a splash.xml here in the drawable. What the fuck? What's that? Okay, here, new drawable. Splash, name it splash. Side, let's change this to layer list, and then opacity of opaque. Inside the layer list, we will add the color of the background color of our splash screen. Let's go. The color will be white, and the logo of our splash screen. And for me, I have YouTube logo. Let's add a gravity center. Next, let's create a activity, empty activity. Okay, don't check this generate layout file because we don't need a layout for our splash screen. Name it splash screen activity. Click finish. So next is, let's add a style for our splash screen. Here, name it Aptim Launcher, the parent of no action bar. Let's add an item of window background of the splash here. Okay, it's our window background, and then go to manifest, add a theme here, and choose Aptim.Launcher. This intent filter will this should be here inside the splash screen activity. Okay, next let's go to splash screen activity. Let's add some code here. Start activity and our target class. Our target class is main activity.class. Then let's add a finish. So let's test it. Okay, so that's how you do it. The code I will add the code I will share the code in the link in the description below. So if you like it, please hit like and subscribe this video. Have a productive day.